I bought this little sink for my 15-month-old and she absolutely loves it. Comes with a little stove that goes here, a drying rack that goes here, some dishes, some scrub brushes, little play foods here, pots, pans. Whenever you get it, it's really simple to put back together. You just take the top off. It takes 4 AA batteries. It does not come with batteries. You fill the bottom piece up with water right under there. Looks like you need about 1 inch of water, and then you can just turn it on, and it's really easy to have a toddler use it. If it doesn't work whenever you first get it, you might need more water. Once you fill it up, you will just put it in, jiggle it a little bit, and then turn it on. But my daughter played with this for over an hour. She absolutely loves it.
Buyer beware. This is a wonderful toy, but it only lasted about a month. We have kept this extremely clean, extremely dry, and our son is about 2 years old and has used it for about a month. It was gifted to us in December, but we recently just started using it, and the sink part stopped working. We went to try to change the batteries and it no longer works.
Sounds like it's on. And now it's on. The water's above the water level that it says it's supposed to be in. It looks like there's going to be water coming out, but then there's no water that comes out. And it's been doing this for 30 minutes. That's all it does.
Can you put your frog down the slide? Put him down the slide.
Put the slide.
Put him down the slide. Ready?
Cucumber. This. Banana. This. That's a brush.
on. Turn it on more. More water.